Greetings everyone. Today's video is on Dhaba Style Chicken Masala. Dhabas are the roadside restaurants you find on Indian highways, especially in rural areas. Today's video is about how to easily make the same chicken masala that is served in these dhabas. So welcome everyone to a new video from Chef Joji. Also, I would like to remind you to like, comment, and share this video if you like it. For the Dhaba Style Chicken Curry, I have taken 1 kilogram of chicken. The chicken has been cut into curry pieces and washed thoroughly. I have taken a pot to prepare the chicken masala. When the pot is hot, I am pouring about 3 tablespoons of sunflower oil into it. The oil has heated up. Now we need to add the whole Garam Masala to it. For this, I have taken half a teaspoon of cumin seeds, 2 dried red chilies, 2 small pieces of cinnamon, 3 cardamoms, 4 cloves, and 1 star anise. I'm adding these to the oil. Now I'm adding 3 green chilies that have been slit lengthwise. I'm adding 2 tablespoons of ginger and garlic paste and sautéing them together. Next, I'm adding 3 finely chopped onions. Mix this well and roast it. I'm adding salt for the chicken masala at this time. Mix it well again. The onions have now softened well. At this point, I'm adding the chicken that has been cut and washed thoroughly. The chicken was placed in a strainer to drain all the water before adding it. Now let's mix it well. Let's roast the chicken thoroughly in this manner. Now I'm cooking it covered. I've only kept it covered for about 2 minutes. When I open it, the water from the chicken has been released. Now we can mix and roast it with the lid open. Also, my friends, if you like these videos from Chef Joji's channel, I request you to share them as much as possible. Now all the water in the chicken has evaporated. The chicken has started to change color slightly. At this time, we can add the chopped tomatoes. I have taken 3 tomatoes here. Now let's mix it well. The tomatoes have also softened a bit. Now I am adding 1½ teaspoons of spicy chili powder, 1½ teaspoons of non-spicy chili powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1½ teaspoons of coriander powder, and 1 teaspoon of Garam Masala powder. Now let's mix it well. Mix the masala so that it coats all parts of the chicken evenly. Let's roast the chicken along with this masala. Now let's cover it and boil it. You can set the stove to a medium or low flame. After about 5 minutes, I am opening it. The oil has separated nicely. The chicken has also cooked well. Mix it well again. Now all the water has evaporated. Now I'm adding curd to it. I'm adding half a cup of curd here. Mix it well. Also, you can add water as needed for this chicken masala at this time. Now I am taking about 1 teaspoon of Kasuri Methi, crushing it well in my hands and sprinkling it on top. I'm also sprinkling chopped coriander leaves on top. Now let's mix it well. Now after adding the curd, Kasuri Methi, and coriander leaves, its taste and smell have completely changed. The curry now has the same smell and taste as the chicken curry you get in dhabas, Dhaba style. So I hope you have understood from this video that we can very easily prepare Dhaba Style Chicken Masala at home. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and share it. If this is the first time you're watching the Chef Joji channel, I would like to remind you to subscribe to the channel and follow the page. Chef Joji's YouTube channel and Facebook page have a lot of old videos, and I encourage you to watch them. I will be back soon with a new video. Until then, bye-bye.